Hi, it's Celeste Vasili from Acton Bell Property, South Perth and Victoria Park, and I'd like to welcome you to 15 Hardaker Street in Eden Hill. Now this gorgeous 3x2 property is full of surprises. It's set on 739 square metres in a family-friendly neighbourhood, so come on in and let's take a look. So the property is a really good size. All of the rooms are spacious and just filled with, that warmth and charm that you don't really find in the modern homes these days. You've got polished floorboards, high ceilings, you've even got a wood-fired heater here. Now, the kitchen is absolutely stunning. You've got fantastic amount of storage in here, lots of bench space, and one of the fanciest ovens I think I have ever seen in a home like this. So perfect for cooking up a storm, entertaining. And through here, you've got this great space for guests, dining, study even. And it does lead through to the outdoor area and the laundry and separate toilet as well. So the front bedroom is currently used as a study, but it does have a wall of built-in robes. You've got ceiling fans and all the bedrooms are a really good size. The master bedroom is huge. It connects straight through to the backyard there and is serviced by its own ensuite. It's got split system air conditioning and ceiling fan for all year round comfort. Now the bathroom is a retro lover's delight. You've got pink tiling, the bath is in perfect condition and everything that's all back in fashion at the moment. It is picture perfect, well maintained, nothing to do. Now come on, let's take a look outside. So we are on 739 square metres here, so the back of this block is huge. It is a blank canvas just waiting for someone to come in and transform it into their dream backyard. Now you do have a powered workshop here as well as a patio undercover entertaining area, so it really is just a blank canvas waiting for you to come on in and make it your own. The front yard is also a really great size. It's fully enclosed and just ready and waiting for you to plant whatever your heart desires in here. So I'm Celeste Vasili from Acton Bell Property, South Perth and Victoria Park, and I'd love to see you at the first home open for 15 Hardaker Street in Eden Hill.